Most UK drivers estimate their costs based on two primary variables, the price at the pump and the monthly insurance premium. But those two figures rarely tell the whole story. Data suggests that the average driver underrepresents their actual motoring expenses by £150 to £250 every single month. This discrepancy is documented within the DVLA's central database, which tracks registration changes, ownership transfers, and administrative penalties for every vehicle in the country. Sarah, a driver from Birmingham, budgeted £200 a month for her Ford Focus, assuming that covered her essential needs. Her actual monthly expenditure totaled £387. The difference came from three factors she hadn't accounted for: monthly depreciation, new tires, and a surprise brake repair. That £187 gap represents money exiting a bank account without appearing as a clear line item on a budget spreadsheet. Depreciation is the largest individual cost of car ownership. It often goes unnoticed because it doesn't manifest as a monthly invoice or a direct debit. For a new car purchased for £25,000, the value drops by 50 to 60% within the first 3 years. Spreading that loss over 36 months reveals a silent cost of roughly £360 every month. Buying a car that is already 3 years old changes the math significantly. The previous owner takes the initial loss, while the vehicle's future depreciation slows to between 15 and 20% over the next 3 years. Excluding these value drops creates a false impression of a driver's actual net worth. Beyond the vehicle itself, thousands of drivers lose money to avoidable administrative traps. In 2022, the DVLA sent more than 680,000 enforcement letters to drivers regarding unpaid or undeclared vehicle tax. Failing to tax a vehicle can lead to a £1,000 fine and immediate clamping, with release fees adding hundreds more to the total bill. Even a minor clerical error, like failing to update your address on your driving license, carries a penalty of up to £1,000. These administrative costs turn small organizational oversights into significant, unexpected financial shocks. Routine maintenance costs often spike during inspections. 40% of UK cars fail their MOT on the first attempt, which mandates immediate spending on tires, brakes, or suspension repairs to remain legal. Insurance policies also contain hidden financial trade-offs. James, a driver from Leeds, experienced this after a minor accident resulted in a £900 repair bill. With a £500 excess, his insurer only paid £400 toward the repair, but that claim caused his renewal premium to rise by £300. The long-term cost almost entirely erased the payout's benefit. Drivers in major cities face an additional layer of geographic costs, such as clean air zones and London's ultra-low emission zone. A daily charge of £12.50 equals an annual cost of over £3,000 for a standard 5-day-a-week commute. The financial weight of car ownership is a combination of these insurance excesses, high repair rates, and mandatory urban tolls that rarely appear in an initial monthly estimate. Managing these expenses requires moving past mental assumptions and focusing on the objective data available for every vehicle. A driver who anticipates these costs through research can save between £1,500 and £2,500 per year, compared to one who simply reacts to bills as they arrive. The most effective strategy is to conduct a forensic audit of all running costs before purchasing a vehicle or renewing a contract. Tools like the True Cost of Owning a Car calculator pull live DVLA data to verify MOT history, tax bands, and depreciation curves instantly. Reviewing the comprehensive ledger before signing any paperwork allows you to transform hidden financial drains into calculated, informed choices.